Hey, I'm Mom from Hyperbolic. In this demo, I'll show you how to install our new Hyperbolic AI Cloud extension for VS Code and Cursor, allowing you to access compute directly within your codebase. First, we'll open the extension marketplace and search Hyperbolic. Once we've installed the extension, we'll also want to install Jupyter, as well as remote SSH. We then want to open settings and search Hyperbolic. Here we can paste our API key, as well as our SSH private key path. Open the extension, and verify that we can see our credentials. Under available machines, I'll select an H100 cluster, enter the number of GPUs, and choose if I want to expose a port. I'll expose port 8000 for Jupyter Notebook. The instance will show up under My Instances with a red circle until it's ready. Once the instance has provision, the circle will turn green, and then we can select SSH in current project. Once the terminal opens, we can run NVIDIA SMI to verify the machine. That's it for demo 1. Next time I'll show one-click Jupyter Notebook startup. Thanks for watching and follow for more AI dev tools from Hyperbolic.